One of the simplest ways to make money from home is to use paid survey websites. It is not, in fact, too good to be true. You can earn extra money by taking paid online surveys. Some of them are even trustworthy. Although survey sites are unlikely to make you rich, many of them do offer real cash, gift cards, and other perks to those who provide insights for their market research initiatives. However, there are scams out there that only want your personal information or never pay out. As a result, you must ensure that the websites you visit are legitimate in order to avoid wasting your time or worse. So welcome to Tutorial Assist. In this video I will tell you about a legitimate website that will pay you real money for filling out surveys, searching the web, doing online shopping, watching videos and playing games without any investment. You can use this site from any part of this world. If you are new to this channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, as I post regular videos showing you legitimate ways to earn money online without any investment. Now let's dive into the video. The website I was talking about is Swagbucks. I will provide website link in description box below. You can check the website through that link. If you want to earn money through mobile, this site also has an application for mobile users, so you can download the application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Swagbucks promotes its platform as a way to earn money for everyday activities. In addition to paid surveys, you can earn money by using their approved search engine, watching videos, or using their mobile app. You get a bonus for signing up and then points for completing these various tasks. Swagbucks is a major player in the survey industry, having paid out over $500 million to members since the beginnings. Swagbucks is a good website to add to your arsenal of money-making websites if you want to get in on the action and make some extra cash in your spare time. Swagbucks has got around 4.2 stars rating on Trustpilot. If you have any doubt regarding this website, you can check reviews of this site on Trustpilot. It is simple to sign up for Swagbucks. If you are 13 or older and live in most countries in the Americas, Europe, or Asia, you are eligible to use it. To sign up on Swagbucks, click on the Join Today option you see right here. Sign up by filling your email address, or you can sign up with your Facebook account also. After you sign up, you can begin earning Swagbucks, also known as SB, the platform currency. I will also log into my account. Here you can see my profile homepage. Swagbucks offers a variety of earning options, allowing you to choose how you make extra money. You can earn money by filling out surveys. Click on Answer and it will show you surveys that will be available for you. You can search for more surveys by click on More or by click on Peanut Lab surveys. Surveys typically pay anywhere from 5 SB to hundreds of SB. Most surveys last between 5 and 30 minutes, with longer surveys paying more. Before entering the actual online survey, you usually have to answer a few qualifying questions. This ensures that your demographic profile corresponds to the group from which the survey provider wishes to hear. Swagbucks also has a daily poll, which is a single question poll that you can answer on a daily basis. Answering the poll earns you 1 SB. The amount of money you earn from Swagbucks surveys is determined by several factors, including the number of surveys you qualify for and the length of the surveys you complete. Taking surveys on the site is the most efficient way to earn SB if you have the time. Now let's see another way to earn SB points from this site. Second way to earn SB points is shopping online. Yeah, you heard it right, you can earn points for shopping online. Swagbucks gives you cash back in the form of SB when you shop online. Swagbucks has numerous partners like Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, Walmart, etc. The majority of offers pay between 1% and 2% cash back. However, there are offers ranging from 5% to 10%, and a featured cashback stores section highlights retailers with the best rates. Download the Swagbucks browser extension for Google Chrome to ensure you earn SB when you shop. Swagbucks searches for coupons and cashback opportunities on the website you're visiting when you shop online with Chrome. It then notifies you of available offers and automatically applies coupon codes. To download the extension, click on More option you see right here. Under this option you will find Swagbucks option. Click on Swagbucks and you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. Make sure this extension is on whenever you shop online, so that you can earn cashback and get discount coupons. Third option to earn points is searching the web. Starting to use Swagbucks as your search engine is one of the quickest ways to earn Swagbucks. This is due to the fact that when you search on Swagbucks, you have the opportunity to earn SB. Rewards depend on how many searches you do each day and how lucky you get, but you usually earn about 10 cents for a lucky Swagbucks search. Search results are from Yahoo search results. If you want to maximize your Swagbucks search earnings, make Swagbucks your default search engine instead of Google. If you click on the Swagbucks browser extensions icon and use its search bar, you can also search the web. Fourth option to earn points is by playing games. Swagbucks gaming feature is a huge plus if you enjoy PC and mobile gaming. Under the Discover tab you will find option for gaming. Under Games tabs you can find variety of games like adventure, action, board games, cards etc. Trying new games usually earns you between $1 and $5 in SB. Most offers, however, require reaching a certain level or in-game achievement, so this earning option is best if you enjoy playing video games because you must invest time in the games. You can also earn points through free offers. On the left side of the screen, you will find free offers option. Click on it and it will show you every free offers that are available for you. Complete the offers and earn points. And if you want to earn more points you should click on mobile apps under Swagbucks offers. You will find various amount to application that will pay you Swagbucks points, if you install and sign up on them. You have earned your points, now it's time to redeem them. Click on the rewards section and it will show you every reward option that are available for your country. Swagbucks offer you various kind of option to redeem your earnings. You can redeem your points through gift cards from Amazon, PayPal, eBay and Walmart etc. Depending on the reward, each SB is worth approximately 1 cent. However, many rewards start at $1 and can be obtained within a day of using the platform. Certain reward denominations may be eligible for discounts, making each SB redeemed slightly more valuable. If you have the patience, saving up for the $10 reward section can help you get the most out of Swagbucks. However, do not keep too many s.b.'s in your account. Also, keep in mind that electronic gift card rewards can take a few days to process and arrive in your inbox. If you use your PayPal account to redeem points, the bank transfer may take longer to complete, so plan ahead and allow enough time to receive the money before spending it. So this was all about Swagbucks. If you want to know more about such websites you can check out my playlist of Earn Money Online. You will find unique and legitimate website to make money. Show some love to the video by liking and sharing it with your friends and family. Also, if you want to know about new methods to earn money then you should hit the subscribe button. I will meet you with another video tomorrow. Till then, try this method.